We are gathered here today to commemorate a truly momentous occasion, the centennial year celebration of the Circulo Fernandino Foundation Incorporated.
Lumipad ng lumipad, nais kong lumipad.
It is with great honor and privilege that I stand before you, reflecting on the significance of this milestone and the profound impact it has had on our beloved Fernandinos. We recognize its vital role as a beacon of social and civic engagement within our community. Indeed, it stands as the oldest socio-civic club in Pampanga, a testament to its enduring commitment to uplifting the lives of impoverished Fernandinos and preserving our cherished traditions.
Sa aking buhay, nais kong maulit pa, ulit-ulitin pa ang buhay ko.
Through its century-long journey, the Circulo Fernandino has not only showcased the elegance, the artistry, and beauty of the traditional Regodonde Honor dance, but has also remained steadfast in its mission to uphold the dignity and honor of our organization.
Nais kong makita ang paligid kong puno ng kagandahan. Nais kong makadama ng kakaibang damdamin kahit minsan man lang.
Let us enjoy the dance and music. Circulo Fernandino, napun, ngeni, bukas, mabiyaya kapilanman. Thank you and enjoy the evening.